Welcome to PaidToday, how to use your booking forms on any website, whether it be third party, if you've got a website that you was custom built that you've already created, or you're using kind of a third party, a different website builder, and your website was not built within the PaidToday platform itself, you can still use your booking forms and have it all hook up to your PaidToday CRM and your account in PaidToday. So first thing you want to do is open up the business tab here and then go down to your booking forms. And we've got a few created. If you don't have one of these created yet, go ahead and follow along with the create new booking form tutorial, or go ahead and just click create new booking up here on the top right, and then you can kind of fill that stuff out and just pause this video. But for this one, we're just going to use one that we already have created. So we're going to go over here to edit on one of these, on this 30-minute one here. And we've got all of our times and everything set. So we're going to scroll down and we want to find this booking form embed code. And this is going to allow us to put this booking form on a separate website. So go ahead and highlight all that and copy it, Control C, or you can do right click copy. And then we're going to go over here to the Weebly. For this example, we've built another website on this platform and we're going to see how to implement that booking form. So I've got my website here. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. Let's go into it. And first thing is they've got an embed code block here. This just allows me to paste in custom HTML, and I'm just going to drag that over right above this brush image here. And then I'm going to click edit custom HTML, and then I'm going to click paste, Control V, or you can do a right click and click paste. And now you'll notice this thing called src equals quotation, and then there's a URL in here. This is the source URLs, what that means. And right after the src equals quotation, all we need to do is add the page set URL that we want that's associated with this. So for this booking and this business that we're in, if we go over to our website builder, the page set that we're going to be using is this one here, this domain right there. And because I want these contacts to go into this business, this is the page set I'm going to use. And you can use any of the page sets that you have. You just need to make sure that you get the domain right. So we'll just go ahead and I'm going to copy that. We're going to go back over to this. I'm going to edit the HTML. So right after that src equals quotation, I'm going to do https:// and then I'm going to click paste. And then this is going to this is telling it where to send the contact after they fill out our form, and where to send all the information. And because we're on a third-party site, we got to have that right. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click off of it, and you can see that our form has now generated inside of here. If we click publish, let's open up the Lives website right here, and then we can scroll down and we can see that here's our form. We're going to choose time on this one, and we'll just pick a date time here. We'll do 11 a.m. on the 18th, and we'll go ahead and type our name. And then we'll go ahead and enter in our website here. And then you can add your phone number if you want. In this booking form, we have a few questions that we've added to it. So customers will need to fill these out. If you have required fields, they'll be forced to fill them out before they can book with you. This is an awesome feature that we have in PaidToday. So we'll just put our name in here on this one, and then these are required input. This booking form is just kind of showing you what is there. So website. And you just choose a couple stuff here. This doesn't matter, but it's all this information will come across with their contact as soon as they submit. And then we're going to go ahead and click Done. And now we can see that it's done. We can scroll up. We can see all of our information as the customer, where the appointment is and stuff like that. This is some extra in our message we set on our booking form. All this stuff, we put that in there. And then we also show them the information that they had entered as well, so that they can kind of double check and confirm. They can also add it to their iCalendar or Google Calendar and have keep track of it that way. Now we're going to go back over to and check the contact record. Now that we're back over into our PaidToday account, we're going to go ahead and check the contact, and we can see that our Merlin 3 was been created as the top contact here, and the new one. We'll go ahead and click View, and we can see under the notes, we can see the appointment and the IP address which he booked from, and which page URL it was booked from as well. And this just tells us which form, and because it's on a third-party site, this is what we're going to get as the refer. And we just see all the information that he submitted with that. The other thing we can check out is our booking report. If we go over to booking report, and then I go to report on this specific booking form, I filter by any provider or yourself. I will just say this month and apply, update report, and then we can see that we have an upcoming confirmed appointment with Merlin and the ID of it. And if I want to check out his contact, takes us back in there. We can see it again. So all of this works if you need to use it on a site that you already have, or if you're using a third-party website builder, you can still get the functionality and make use of all these features.